Yeah. Can we start with your introduction?
Yeah. Introduction. My name is Dinesh. I've been working as a Hadoop big data developer since 4 years. I have around 4.5 years of experience, and I've did my master's in computer science. My recent project is with Novartis Alkin as a data engineer. Um, I was working with batch processing, batch processing of the data. Mostly, I deal with the data post market data, data which is present in the RDBMS near them, when at different locations in the medical center. I do data ingestion, pulling the data from the RDBMS to data lake and create Hive table on that data and perform the business logic on that. So here we use Spark to process the data actually, Spark with the Scala. So I do create applications using Scala program, and I it's what kind of data, for example, we get a report from FDA's, Federal Drug Association, what kind of data they need. So we just pull the fields, extract the fields from there, and just connect the Spark program to the Hive to perform the query and get the results and save the data back to the database actually. So I deal with most of the structured data only, with the tools I use like Hive, Spark, and Scoop. Yeah, most of the day I deal with those tools.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So currently, which version of Spark you are using?
Sorry.
Which version of
Spark?
Yeah,
I've been using Spark 2.2.
Spark 2.2. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is the difference between datasets and datasets?
Like the previous one.
What is the difference between data frame and datasets?
Data frames which stores data in the form of more like a structure format. When it comes to the data lake, which data sets which stores the data in form of JVM objects, which are the converted object like JVM objects.
So which is efficient?
Data frames are efficient than data sets.
So which one are the latest? Is data frame the latest or data sets the latest?
Data frames are the latest actually.
Oh, okay. So yeah, okay. What is RDD, man?
Sorry?
RDD.
RDD is a resilient distributed data, which is a main abstraction of Spark actually. So which stores data in the form of a bytecode, and you can say it's basically.
Does it store any data actually?
Sorry?
Is RDD stored in the data?
Like data is stored in the form of small RDDs actually, we can which is spread across the cluster, and we can pull data like RDDs when we are performing an operation. We can perform transformations and actions on the RDDs.
Okay. Yeah. So which distribution currently you are using?
I'm sorry, it's I can't hear.
Distribution. Hadoop distribution you are using?
Cloudera.
Which version?
5.5 CDH5 actually.
Yeah, CDH5 in which version exactly? Do you remember it's a CDH5 is very old version. There is a latest version on top of it. After CDH5, there is multiple versions in CDH5.
I remember CDH5.
Okay. Okay, so you are storing data in Hive, right? Which file format you are using?
File format?
Yeah.
Like we use ORC file format.
What is ORC?
Like it's a columnar, like a row columnar format, like which compresses the data, like which stores the data in a more efficient way, like more compressed way, like it reduces the data like 75% when compared to the other data formats like text file.
Those are, see, so you are saying about file format, right? What is snappy in that? You are saying compression. ORC uses compression.
Snap,
What is snappy then? Snappy and glib and all that.
Snappy, GCP, those are all compression techniques. But
Yeah, see. Then, yeah, okay, go ahead. So you are combining two things, right? This is file format, it's ORC. You are saying it uses for compression, right? Compression is completely different than the file format. Okay. Yeah. So just think about it. That's fine. So what is the difference between managed tables and external tables in Hive?
managed table and external table.
Yeah.
Okay, like managed table is also called like the internal tables, which like when we create the table, like the data is stored in the Hive warehouse, and when we like the main an external table, like we create the table where like where the data actually stored with external keyword. So when the only the difference is like when we drop the table, when we drop the external table, only the schema gets deleted, but the data will be there. But when for the managed table, when we drop the table, like both the schema and data gets deleted actually.
Okay. Yeah. So in current you are using Spark Scala, right? Which IDE you are using?
I've been using Eclipse.
Eclipse. So what is your build tool for building the code actually?
SBT.
Sorry, SBT you are using. Okay. What is the version control you are using?
Like SBT version.
No, it's a version controlling tool. Where you store your code? Hello?
Git.
Okay. So is it directly Git you are using or GitHub or which product?
Git actually.
Bitbucket.
Git.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So so what is your deployment tool you are using? So how you are deploying your once you build what are all the files you will be moved to different environments, for example from test unit or just to stage or prod. So how you are moving your code?
Like say integration.
Yeah, integration or a deployment, whatever, what deployment step you use actually. For example, you already written a code in test, you tested it, you want to move it to production, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what is the deployment steps you will use? How you deploy your code?
Like we use Jenkins actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is Jenkins actually? What does it test?
Like it's code. It's like a continuous integration actually. Like we just write the code. Like we just don't have to wait. Like we just write the code and run it without like waiting for the like it's like a continuous integration actually. Like we just write our own code and we deploy it. Like we run the code and we just check with the errors and we deploy the code actually.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now can you please explain me one use case? What are the problems you face with Spark? How you resolved it? Any one use case.
Like
Spark is not. Yeah.
Usually I face like problem with the memories, like executors, like while submitting the application, like
Okay.
sorry.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, usually I face problem with that, but how to define like how many executors I need, like how like which deployment to use, like which deploy mode to use. So basically, I face problem with that, and I'll take help of my like a senior engineer, like data engineer, seniors help to execute. Like most of the time when I run like the Spark application, like sometimes I get run out of the memory.
Okay.
Yeah.
So so you got a problem, right? So what is your debugging steps? You will be everybody will get problems. So what are your debugging steps? What you will do? Do you try to analyze anything from where you will start analyzing? For Spark, if you get a error, from where you will start analyzing?
I'll check with the logs actually, like mostly like we run on the YAN cluster. So I'll just check with the logs, like where the problem has happened.
Which logs exactly you will be looking at?
Like I use like YAN UI, like just go to port number 8088 for to get the log details. Or sometimes I use like YAN logs, like a command to get the log details.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, man. So, do you use Scoop? Actually, you said you will be working mostly with RDBMS, right?
Yeah.
Do you use Scoop?
Yeah, I use Scoop.
So, how you run a incremental load actually? So, you have a source system or regular some other deep RDBMS. You have to daily run a daily. You have to load data. There will be some thing in the table which will able to tell you what is changed from yesterday to today. So,
Like,
how you will run that table? Yeah.
like I'll get like a last value from the table like which I run, and I use the code like incremental append with last value, and you just give the target directory. Like most of the time I use target directory.
So you specify last value every time. You will go and check the table and
No, like
specify the
I
last value every time.
create a job actually, like a scoop job, so that in like the last job it's it saves the last value automatically into the file. So when I run the scoop job again, it gets the last value from there.
Oh, okay. So you are
Yeah.
saying, okay, yeah, I got it. So you are creating scoop jobs, and how you are executing those scoop jobs?
Like
What you use actually to execute the scoop jobs?
like most I like I create the scoop jobs, but the execution like it was done with the OZ, but I don't.
Okay.
I just create the scoop jobs.
Yeah. So in OG you will be using scoop action, right? So you
Yeah.
will be using OG scheduler. How you will schedule job? Suppose you have to run the job at every day 6 p.m. or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So how you will schedule that job? Where you
Like
will schedule that time?
from Hue, from Hue, I use editor, like flow editor to create the uh, to include the scope job over there, and I schedule it from there, uh, like what time to run and everything from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Dinesh. That's it from my side. Do you have any questions for me?
Like what kind of distribution to use in the client?
See, it's a multiple projects we have. Actually, I don't know which project you are going to be part of. There are
Okay.
multiple applications. We have both Hottenworks as well as Cloudera distributions here.
Okay.
Current my project, we are using Hottenworks, but ideally it's a greater Cloudera environment overall. So yeah, that's it from my side actually. Yeah. So I don't know exactly which project you are going to work.
Okay. So can I know
my team will get yeah.
final, like who's the client actually? Like I don't.
Yeah, my team will tell you.
Okay.
So they have multiple clients. That's what I'm saying. Right?
Uh-huh.
They have multiple clients, so that's
Oh,
why it's. I exactly don't know for which client you are going to work.
okay, I understood.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
thanks, Dinesh. You have a good day. Bye.
You too, thank you.